Hello, boys and girls! Rock Hunter is coming, and I must cross to the river to hunt beautiful stone. See what a beautiful nature! I guess so many boys and girls have this beautiful nature. And also, listen the sounds of Kako, friends. Listen. Kerok, kerok, wah! Oh, this is a bamboo grove, okay? See, friend, what a beautiful view. See. Wow, 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 wow. This is a edible, well-read set, okay? It's really taste and sweet, okay, friends? See. Mmm, it's really tasty. On my way to the river, I began to sing. Ô the Mikili dagan adandang rock handelbar long bushy hour. The birds singing kilili while rock hunter is going to the river to hunt that stone. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, it is a poison potato, poison tomato, potato. This is poison well tomato. Ah, wang. Oh. Friends, it takes 1-2 hours from my village to reach the river. Okay, friends. Now time to walk. La 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 la. Quang. Quang. No. Friend, as I am hunting beautiful stone in the river, I have reached longest waterfall in my region. Want to see the longest waterfall in my village? Want to see? Say, this is the longest waterfall in the river of my village. See? Oh, yeah. This is the longest waterfall in my region, okay, friends? Wow! It's about 70 or 80 feet, okay? Now, let me hunt beautiful stone in this waterfall, longest waterfall. Wow, 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 what a waterfall. See, quang. Oh. Oh, what is this? Aha! I found black wooden fossil. Okay, this is a black wooden fossil. Yeah, I found black purified wood fossil and the longest waterfall in my region. Thank you. Wow, I found black wooden wood fossil and the longest region and the longest waterfall. Yahoo! Friends, we will meet in the next video, okay? Bye bye.